matrices and determination. Exercise 1.3. First question. The subscription department of the magazine sent out a letter to a large mailing list investing subscription for a magazine. Some of the people receiving this letter already subscribe to the magazine, while others do not. Form this mail list 45% of those who already subscribe with subscription again, while 30% of those who do not now subscribe will subscribe. On the last letter, it was found that 40% of those receiving it ordered a subscription. What percentage of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a solution? Let X represent people who subscription for the magazine and Y represent person who do not subscribe for the magazine. Now there are 4 cases. X, X. Those who already subscribe will subscribe again. X, Y. Those who already subscribe will not subscribe again. Y, X. Those who have not subscribed will do it now. Y, Y. Those who have not subscribed will not do it now also. From the problem, we can see that X, X 45% equal to 0.45. X, Y equal to 100 minus 45, 55%, so that 0.55. Y, X 30%, so that 0.3. Y, Y 100 minus 30, 70%, 0.7. Next, the transition probability matrix is given by T equal to XY, 0.45, 0.55, 0.3, 0.7. The value of X and Y are given as X equal to 40% equal to 0.4, Y equal to 100 minus 40, 60%, 0.6. We have to predicate the value of X, Y after the current letter is sent. It is done as below. XY, first you take it and write. After that XY, you multiply these and all. You get the X value and Y value 0.36 and 0.64. That is X equal to 36% and Y equal to 64%. Thus, 36% of those receiving the current letter can be expected to order a subscription. Second question, the new transit system has just gone into operation in Chennai. Of those who use the transit system this year, 30% will switch over to using metro train next year, and 70% will continue to use the transit system. Of those who use metro train this year, 70% will continue to use metro train next year, and 30% will switch over to the transit system. Suppose the population of Chennai city remains constant and that 60% of the commuters use the transit system and 40% of the commuters use motor train this year. What percentage of commuters will be after 1 year? What percent of commuter will be using the transit system in the long run? Denote transit system and M denote metro train. Here again there are 4 cases. TT. Those who use the transit system continue to use the transit system. TM. Those who use the transit system will switch over to the metro train. MT. Those who use metro train will change to the transit system. MM. Those who use metro train will continue to use the metro train. From the question, TT 70% 0.7, TM 30% 0.3, MT 30% 0.3, MM 70% 0.7. The transition probability matrix is given by, you take it and write this form. The current position is given by T equal to 60% and M equal to 40%. We have to predicate the value of T and M after 1 year. You substitute this value and find out the value of T equal to 0.54, 54%, M equal to 0.46 and therefore 46%. So after 1 year, 54% of commuter will use the train system and 46 of commuter will use the metro train. Next, second question, you are going to find out at the equilibrium which will be reached in the long run T plus M equal to 1. We have Tm equal to, by the matrix multiplication, you get the equation 0.7t, 0.3m, 0.3t, 0.7m equal to Tm. Equating the corresponding elements, you get the T value. After that, you finding the T value as a, evaluate this equation, you get the T value 0.5. So that T equal to 50%. Thus, in the long run, 50% of the commuter will be using transit system and 50% will be using the metro train. Next question, two types of soaps A and B are in the market. Their present market shares are 50% for A and 85% for B. Of those who bought A the previous year, 65% continue to buy it again, while 35% switch over to B. Of those who bought B the previous year, 55% buy it again and 45% switch over to A. Find their market share after 1 year and when it in the equilibrium reached. Solution, A and B are the two types of soap. The current market share is 50% and 85%. This is represented as A, 0.15 and 0.85. AA, those who bought A previous year will again buy A, 65%, 0.65. A, B, those who bought A previous year will buy soap B now, 35%, 0.35. BA, those who bought B previous year will buy A now, 45%, 0.45. BB, those who bought B previous year will buy it again 55%, 0.55. So that you write, take it and write in the matrix form. First question, their market share after 1 year is given by. So that you simplify, you substitute that and simplify this. A value is 0.48, B value 0.52. A value 0.48 equal to 48%, B value 0.52 equal to 52%. So after 1 year, market share of soap A will be 48% and soap B will be 52%. At A plus B equal to 1, we have, substitute in the matrix form, you get the value. Equation is corresponding element, A value you substitute, you get the A value is 0.5625, so that you write it as 56.25%. B value 100 minus 56.25 equal to 43.75%. The equilibrium is reached when the market share of the soap A is 56.25% and the market share of the soap B is 43.75%. Fourth question, the product A and B currently share the market with the share 50% and 50% each respectively. Each week same brand, some brand switching takes place. Of those who bought A the previous week, 60% buy it again, whereas 40% switch over to B. Of those who bought B the previous week, 80% buy it again, whereas 20% switch over to A. Find the shares after 1 week and after 2 weeks if the price were continue when it is the equilibrium reached. First you take it and write the A and B 50% respectively. AA, those who bought A the previous week will buy it again 60%. AB, those who bought A and previous week will buy B now 40%. BA, those who bought B the previous week will switch to A 20%. BB, those who bought B will again buy B 80%. The transition probability matrix is given by T. The current position of A and B in the market is 0.5, 0.5. After 1 week, the share of A and B are given by, you take it and write it in the matrix form and find the value. A is 0.4 and B is 0.6. After 1 week, the market share of A is 0.4 by 100 into 100 equal to 40%. And the same way B is 0.6, the 60%. After 2 weeks, the share of A and B are given by, take it and write it in the matrix form. You simplify this A and AB. A is 0.36, B is 0.64. Thus, after 1 week, will have 36% of shares and B will have 64% of shares. As it goes, equilibrium will be reached in a long run. At this point, A plus B equal to 1. We have AB by matrix multiplication, AB equating the corresponding elements. The equation you are substitute, then the value you get, the A value is 0.33. So that 33%, B equal to 1 minus 0.33, so that 0.67%. Thus the equilibrium is reached when the share of A is 33% and the share of B is 67%. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.